hopefully see, and I'm going to be demonstrating this revolutionary new product by Babyliss Pro called Perfect Curl. One of the most amazing things about this product is you can create different types of curl with it. We have 3 temperatures on this appliance. First temperature is 190 degrees, your second temperature is 210, and the highest temperature is 230. So you've got 3 to choose from. So if you've got hair that's really fine or over-coloured or just really quite delicate hair, then you would choose the lower setting. And if you've got really quite coarse hair, you can go to the higher setting. The second button we have here is a timer setting. And this takes us from 8 seconds, 10 seconds, or 12 seconds. And basically, the lower the setting, the looser the curl. The higher the setting, up to 12 seconds, but obviously the tighter the curl will be, or the more formed the curl will be. The final button we have here is a directional setting. And this is all about which direction the curl goes into. So you've got a right hand side, which is going to take it in one direction. You've got a left hand side, which takes it into another direction. And you also have an A button here. A means auto. So this product can actually give you a jumbled curl direction. Each time you use it, if it's positioned on A, it will alternate the direction of the curl. Now, preparation is key when using this product. It's very important, first of all, that your hair is really clean and dry. You'll use it on dry hair. And to make sure that the hair is brushed through really well, so that there's no tangles in the hair at all. Okay, now I'm going to section the hair. What you don't want to do is to take a section that's bigger than about 3 centimetres. I'm going to turn that on to the first temperature. I've set this at 10 seconds here, and I also switched it over to L, which is left hand side. This side of the appliance, where you can see the open chamber, has to be facing the head. You then take the section, place it straight across inside and clamp down. When you clamp down, you need to let go, and you're going to hear it rolling into the chamber. You're also going to hear the beeps, and we're going to get 4 beeps before it's ready. When you hear the beeps in succession, that means that that curl is ready and you can release it. And you can see how amazing that is. You can, if you wish, just curl the mid and ends of the hair, so you can place the product wherever you want the curl to start. I'm taking this a little bit higher, especially around the front section. So I'm going to go again into the hair, let go, allow the beeps. You get 4 beeps when you're working with 10 seconds. And when you release, make sure you open it up fully and allow the curl to release like that. So I'm just going to continue working my way up towards the top. Now, what I'd like to show you is that this product has a sensor built into it. So if the actual section is too thick, or it's tangled, or you don't put it in properly, and you close down to allow the curl to go into the chamber, the sensor tells there's something wrong, so it stops and it gives you a bleeping sound. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So you stick it there, you can hear the bleeping. It won't actually take the hair in because there's too much hair there, or it's knotty or something like that. So I'm going to just continue working my way up. So I'm going to continue working up towards the top, and I'm going to get Bailey to do one of these curls. You take that, place it in, good. And that's just winding round. You can hear it winding round when you're working with it. And then release, open wide, that's it, and release it out. Perfect. Lovely curl. Now, there is a setting on the timer setting which is called 0. It's the very first setting. And 0 basically means that you don't have a timer. But, you know, once you get used to using the product, you can use it this way because you will know how long to leave it. Now, if you're going to use this product, if it normally takes you half an hour, 40 minutes to curl your hair, you'll find by using Perfect Curl, because it's so simple and so easy to use, you'll be able to curl your hair in literally half the time. All right, if you want to have a go at the back section, again, if you feel you need to turn it upside down, then please do. Right, okay, you've made the mistake of turning it the wrong way round, yes? So make sure that is facing. Always remember that. when you're using it. So double check and just hold it as long as you've got that facing you, that's great. And allow that to go in, perfect. And just hold that and then gently release it so it gives it enough heat. Perfect, lovely. So even if you know, the angle is slightly difficult and you sort of hold it upside down, it's going to work just as well. The only thing, it doesn't matter how you're holding it, as long as it's facing your head. That's all you have to worry about. And what I'm going to do is just finish off this back section here. You can see what a beautiful curl you get with this. And one of the things I think is going to be amazing about this is that it's so easy to use. And if you're using this within the salon environment, you're going to find that clients are going to be looking around and thinking, what is that product you've got over there? So there's going to be a lot of interest from the consumer of how you're creating the curls like this with such ease. Now all that's left to do is to dress this out to show you the final look. So what I'm going to do first of all is to just create a little bit of volume, so you're going to get that more of a wave curl effect all the way through. And what I'm going to do is to just put her head back as well, and then just rake through the hair very gently with my fingers, so you can see incredible volume and definition that you're going to get on this type of hair. And there you have, Perfect Curl by Babyliss Pro. Fantastic.